So after you click on the link, it's going to make you show you this screen on where you can get started. Now, this is a premium sniper and trading booth on Tom blockchain. Okay, so first you have to become a member. So after you become a member, then you can easily access this thing. Now, let me click on started right now. As you can see right now, they say, "Hello, I'm Ton Trading Boots." So it show you wallets, the Binance, the sniper, and transfer, copy trade, referral, apps, and settings. So first we have going to go focus on the wallet. So let us click on the wallet. Okay, this is how you set it up. Now, the create wallet means you want to create only one wallet. Okay, and each wallet you created can be provided with a 24 secret word that you don't have to show anybody. So this create wallet will create a single wallet for you, and X wallet will create a multiple wallet for you. Like you want to create a multiple wallet for you to be trading, so you can use this one. And we have the hard wallet. If you already have a wallet before, okay, if you already have a wallet before, you can add the wallet and import the wallet right here. I say, let us go for the add wallet. Now you are going to see provide your 24 secret phrase. You have to paste it, and it will add it directly. Now let us click on create a wallet. After we create a wallet, as you can see, it's giving me address, and uh it give me the 24 secret word, which I'm not going to show right now. Okay, now let us go to my wallet right now. Now when I go to my wallet right now, see I have only one wallet. I can try to create another wallet. Okay, that means I have two wallets. Now let us go to my wallet right now. You see I have two wallets. I don't want to create a multiple wallet. I just want to have like two wallets that I can use. That's the reason why I created these wallets. Okay, so that is it for this one. So the next one will be the trading, because trading is the fundamental features offered by this trading bot, which allow users to efficiently buy and sell various tokens. So okay, so without further ado, let us get started. First, let us this is the balance. This is where we are going to see your term balance. First, let me clear this. Let me clear this out. Uh, Clear history. So clear history. So I'm going to click on start again. So let me make sure that my wallet is here. So as you can see, my wallet is here. So I can clear the history again. So clear the history again and click on start. So that is it for now. Okay. Now let us go to the sniper. So you want to snipe a token. Okay. You want to snipe a token. This is where you go. Okay, how to snipe the trade. So they say the sniper is coming soon, and it hasn't been done. Okay, sniper is just entering the token in an exact time. Okay, we have another one which is transfer. So this transfer means you want to transfer from one wallet to another wallet. So that at all, let me click on the first wallet right now. As you can see, transfer turn to what? So transfer turn now. So enter the address, comma. So let us thought this is the address. Okay, and you add comma to it and the amount, okay, that you want to send. So this is what the this is for. So we have the next one, which is the copy trade. I don't know what the so the copy trade is coming soon, in which you can copy trade from an expert. If you see an expert that is trading a wallet, you can't copy trade from him or her. So next one we have the referral. That is, if you refer person, you are going to get that word. Next one is the settings. Okay, so let us go to on the settings. This is highly important, okay, because this is highly important. Without the settings, you won't be able to do anything. Okay, please don't click on auto buy and don't click on auto sell. Okay, don't click auto buy, don't click auto sell, because auto buy automatically execute buy upon pasting the token address. Immediately after you paste that token address, it will automatically buy. Okay, it will automatically do what? Buy the token. Okay. The next one is to say automatically equity sell upon pasting the address. Okay. As when you want to sell right now, you can just click on buy and paste the address. It will automatically sell that project if it has. Now we have the others which is the slippage. Okay. This slippage is more important when it comes to trading. So the slippage is different from the theoretical price of the floor and the actual price that you must pay. Now, for example, if you have a token with a low liquidity, the price will fluctuate like very high, and buying and selling will be differ. Okay, depending on how much slippage you can accept, you can customize it. But I love to do it like this because the Bonkbot I'm using right here, I'm using having a Bonkbot which is trading on Solana. I set my flip rate to, is not like 10%. I leave like 15%, like 15%, okay? Because I want to buy immediately, I want to leave the trade immediately. That is why I leave it for here, okay? Don't change anything on here. So we have the, let me see the costume button. So I don't want to consume anything now. So let us click on close. Okay. So that is it. The next thing is, how do you fund your wallet? Okay. How do you do what? Do you fund your wallet? This is the main thing. Okay, that we have to do this. So we are going to show you in the next video how to fund your wallet. Thanks for watching.